Hey guys, happy holidays. It's officially my Thanksgiving fall break. It's Monday. I've technically I didn't have class on Friday, so I got to the yesterday evening. I kind of just did in Austin with some of my friends, really rested up, chilled, because I had 2 midterms on Thursday and I was pooped. But I'm about to go work out. Well, no, I just worked out. I'm about to go grab lunch, but I wanted to show you my fit for the day. This is literally my go-to thing I wear. Literally a Lululemon workout set and a Brandy Melville baby tee. And then I just have on my Golden Gooses, my YSL. But yeah, that's my fit for the day. Very, very basic. I worked out in this and just comfy, casual, cute. Just can't go into a restaurant with a sports bra on. Just had to throw on a baby tee. I did come bearing gifts. So we don't have a Trader Joe's in my hometown. And my mom, I feel like these are Christmas things, the English toffee and the Jingle Jangle pretzel twist. I feel like my mom, I wanted my family to try these because I can't because I'm allergic. I can try the Scandinavian swimmers. I've never had these. And I feel like my mom and my brother will eat these up. And then I got my dad at Reese's because I felt like he'd feel a little left out. But I wanted to get them some little snacks. And then I got my mom a baby poinsettia. I feel like my brother's gonna eat this up. But I wanted to bring something fun, you know, Austin-esque. Just something they normally don't get to have. It's a cowboy ginger man. Ruby! Whee! Go get it. Family viewing a Wicked. Do you like the musical or the movie better, Mother?
Well, I'm always gonna like the music in person better, but I thought they did a good job.
It was really good. Okay, so I've showered, put on my PJs, and I'm gonna watch a little bit of Game of Thrones because I started that season 1. I'm almost at the end of season 1. I started Game of Thrones a few days ago. So been watching a lot of TV. Today was the first day I actually did homework. I just needed a break. But my parents and I went and saw Wicked. My brother is not here yet. He's either gonna come tomorrow night or Wednesday morning because A&M doesn't give this, they're only giving them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off, which a lot of colleges are. But UT didn't have fall break. Our fall break is incorporated with Thanksgiving break, which is kind of nice, I guess, because they only got a Monday, a Friday and a Monday off. It's they had a long weekend versus we got 3 days with a whole weekend. I got Friday and then tomorrow and Tuesday off as well, and then the rest of Thanksgiving. So it's I gotta be home for an extended period of time. I like that it's just all together. But yeah, I think we're gonna go to the barn tomorrow. My parents haven't seen Lenny, I don't think, in quite a bit, so that's kind of the plan. It's just chill, but I'm excited. We played lots of mahjong today, but I'm excited for my brother to be here. But deuces, good night. Good morning. Having my smoothie bowl. We're trying to watch the news, but we just paused it and it turned off. So I'm trying to decide if I want a hot or a cold coffee because it's actually frigid in our house right now. But it's not that cold outside comparatively, but I'm just so cold inside. I literally think it's 60 something in here. And also we have these windows, and so it's not very, it gets cold easily. So low-key might make a hot coffee, but this is the coolest coffee machine. Now my mom and I have different taste in beans. So the beans are not my all-time favorite, but they're so good. This is what I grew up drinking in our espresso machine at home. But honestly, normally do it like that, like, just because it's so strong. We're gonna attempt to bake. This is one of my not talents. And I'm making a flourless chocolate cake. Will you try it, Mother?
Yes, of course.
The gluten-free, dairy-free concoction. So far we have our dry ingredients. I'm about to start on the wet. Oh no. Okay, we have the batter. Oh, that's what makes very nice. There it is. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. I made a really dumb mistake. I didn't put parchment paper. So now we can't flip the cake out or pull her out. We can cut her. It looks good though.
Well, yeah. You can't, what?
Okay, I didn't film it because it was a bit of a tense, but we got the cake out. We cut around circle. It did get like a little punctured. And we flipped it upside down onto parchment paper and then flipped the parchment paper. So now we need to make the icing for my cake. I made a dark chocolate icing and I'm refrigerating it. So we'll see how that goes. I think I'm just gonna do like a thin drizzle on our cake. Say hi, Lenny. She's like, that's my belly.
Yeah, I forgot.
What are you doing? Family barn track. We're waiting on Madre. I'm back from the barn. I'm gonna try my cake. It's the first slice. It's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate cake. I feel like I might have another baking adventure over Christmas in my future. About to play mahjong this morning. It's Wednesday. I made my coffee. We're out of ice cubes, so I'm using these. I'm gonna win. I was right. I won. It's been like a few hours and I'm working on a math project. So fun. Had like a muffin for part of my lunch. I'm gonna have some grilled chicken. And I'm babysitting Ruby because we have internet people here and she's being evil. Ruby, how are you not being nice? She's quite vicious, but I think I'm gonna get ready soon. And like in an hour, I think I'm gonna go work out and then go for my workout to the barn. It is now like 1:20 and I'm finally making it to the gym because we've had people at our house all day and I've been on Ruby duty. So I also had to wait for my mom. She was at pickleball till like noon. She plays in a pickleball league and she had my car, so I couldn't go anywhere. And so yeah, I'm getting to the gym now. I'm gonna probably do like a full body lift and then get on the treadmill for a bit just because like I haven't done anything active all day. And I feel like my stomach really hurts and I feel very bloated. From like I think what like I had for dinner 2 nights like when we watched Wicked. We stopped at like this market and like that, and then I had that for lunch, like my leftovers yesterday, and like I think like just cross-contamination or something just like always makes you feel kind of sick. So I just like need a walk. I feel like that might help. But yeah, so I'm gonna go into the gym. See y'all later. Drove over an hour to come see you today. Hey, come here. Don't leave me. We're gonna do some dressage. We got Thai food and deleted it.
It's good. I mean,
That was the orange chicken.
Delicious.
Obviously, it was
pad
so
thai is
good.
more than I like.
This is all we do. Mahjong.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and welcome to NBC's exclusive coverage of the 98th Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Happy Thanksgiving. We're about to go to lunch. It's like 11 right now. I'll give you an OTD. I've had a morning. I spilt my coffee all over my bathroom and it got all over my roller rabbits, and that was really, really sad. So here's my outfit. My dress is from, it's like a little silk collar, navy with maroon stripes from Lush. And then I have little brown suede booties. And this is what Ruby does, guys. Like, she climbs on top of the furniture and like tables like a cat's. Say hi! Yeah. So that's my look. I'm wearing my normal bracelet on this wrist. My mom and I have matching bracelets. We're so cutesy. Hair was complicated today, but it's a bit windy. Oh, here's better. It's like a little collar. She's really cute. But yeah. How's your Thanksgiving, Chesley?
It's going good so far.
You're backlit. Do you have any words of wisdom for the vlog?
No, I'm not. I'm not wise.
You're not wise?
Don't sports bet on Thanksgiving.
Or after Blackout Wednesday.
Blackout Wednesday.
Yeah. Do you know what that is?
I mean, I assume it's what the name indicates.
Ruby! So I've unglammed. I probably should not lay against my blanket in this. It's like my frat puffer. I mean, it's been like a year. But we went to we had Thanksgiving. We went to the club because it was just like the four of us. Since we're doing like stuff with my dad's parents when we're in College Station, we go tomorrow night. And then we watched football, took naps, played mahjong, and it'll be dinner time in like an hour or so. And so I'm gonna try to get, I think my dad will go, but we'll see. We're gonna try to get my mom, also my brother's, I think he's asleep still, to go on a post-Thanksgiving walk. But yeah, so that's the vibe. I'm the craziest outfit on. It's very much so like home from college, so y'all don't need to see that. But I'm gonna try to go walk. Bye. Probably won't see y'all for a bit, but deuces. I always do that. I don't know why. It's like my natural instinct just to like throw a peace sign when I'm being awkward. Happy Black Friday. We came into Austin. We're in Nordstrom right now. My mom is just like getting makeup, and then I have to return a shirt to Zara. That's really it. We're not doing much. And then we're gonna drive to College Station, see my grandparents, and go for the game, see some friends. I'm debating getting a snack, but we'll see. We're trying the gingerbread and peppermint espresso. They're like the Verturo line. I like peppermint was okay. Happy game day! Hey guys, I'm back home in Austin. Texas won. We beat A&M. And we're going to the SEC championship. So Thanksgiving's over and unfortunately I'm having to do school again. But I'll see you guys next time. Love you, bye.